a slip knot to begin our chain. We're going to do 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to insert a double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook. So counting down, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll be going into this stitch. So insert 1 double crochet into that stitch. Then you're going to double crochet in the next stitch and double crochet in the last chain. Now we're going to chain 5, chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Insert a single crochet in the 2nd chain from your hook. Then we're going to single crochet across 4 more, so that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You should have a total of 5 single crochets here with the first one you did and then the 4 after. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to start joining into those double crochets that we made in the first round. So you're going to insert your hook into that first, and you're going to have to turn your piece a little here. Insert your hook into that first, or that same double crochet you came out of, for a slip stitch. Now we're going to turn our piece, and we're going to work in the back loops of those single crochets you made. Don't go into that slip stitch though, that's not going to count as a stitch. So going into that next, or that first actual single crochet, you're going to make a single crochet in the next one, and the next one, and the next. Leave the last stitch unworked. You will have 4 single crochets in back loops. Now what you're going to do is you're going to turn your piece, and you're going to skip the first stitch, insert your hook into that second stitch, again in the back loops only, and do a single crochet. Single crochet in the back loops, single crochet in the back loop. You'll have 3 single crochets total here. And now we're going to actually slip stitch into that next double crochet in round 1. And turn your piece again. We're going to work along the other edge. Skipping that slip stitch, you're going to single crochet in the next back loop, single crochet in the next back loop, and don't work in that very last stitch. That's just 2 single crochets in this row. Turn your piece again. If you skip the first stitch, you're only going to do 1 single crochet in that next stitch. And then you're going to slip stitch into the back into the double crochet made in round 1. And once you finish that, you will have your wing complete. You just need to fasten off and weave in the ends later. What I recommend doing is just pulling the ends up towards where the top edge of the wing is, right here. And here you go. There's your little owl wing. Now, this is going to be the feathery portion, and this is the top edge. Let me put it down here on white. Here is the top edge where you'll be attaching it to the body. What you'll want to do is make 2 of these little wings, and you'll be ready to move on to the body.